Honeygain is a platform that allows users to make money by sharing their internet connection with the network. To earn money on Honeygain, follow these steps. Sign up for a Honeygain account on their website or via their app. Download and install the Honeygain app on your device, computer, smartphone, or tablet. Activate the app and allow it to run in the background. The app will utilize your unused internet bandwidth to gather information from the web anonymously. Honeygain then sells this aggregated data to businesses, researchers, and marketers. You earn credits for the data shared, which can be converted into cash or gift cards. Monitor your earnings through the Honeygain dashboard or app. Cash out your earnings once you reach the minimum payout threshold. Keep in mind that while Honeygain offers a passive way to make money, it's essential to review their terms of service and privacy policy to ensure you're comfortable with the data sharing practices. Additionally, consider the impact on your internet speed and data usage, as running the app continuously may affect your network performance.